Alright, so this was going to be a video on how to charge your AC, and I'll still make that video, but I know one of the problems with this is that the fan keeps turning off, and I could not figure out why, and then the compressor would overheat. But I've just noticed that this little contactor brass piece is like sticking up here. It's like a little disconnected, and that's not good. Like there's not a connection somewhere, and also it's kind of rusty, so we're gonna replace this contactor. Power's off, gloves on. Alright, so as you can see, the cover's already off, and we need to disconnect this contactor and replace it with a new one. So we're gonna take the side screws out with the 5/16 hexagonal bit and a screwdriver. So we got the new contactor here, and we are just going to plug and play with these wires. I'm not going to explain what these wires are, because all I know in general is that black usually means hot, red usually means hot, and the bare wire usually means ground, and this white wire usually means common. So but other than that, I don't really know what these wires stand for, or like where they go, and I still have a job. Now, word of caution when you're working on this, like, you must wear gloves, because even though it's unplugged, like, the capacitor is still energized. Like I don't know if you can hear that, but it's vibrating, and it's doing that because the capacitor still has stored charge in there. So, and the capacitor is hooked up to the contactor, so must wear gloves. Now, we disconnect these two wires. You need a flathead screwdriver to do that. The wire is pinched in there, and you just unscrew it, it comes right out. I think I said this wire here earlier was ground wire. It is definitely not a ground wire, because it is black. It's just this plastic threw me off. Another thing I noticed is that this black wire on the capacitor is supposed to be on the contactor. There's supposed to be two black leads that go to this contactor. So I'm going to take this and put it on the contactor. Now we can screw the contactor back into the holes in the frame. See, the frame screws are in there. Just so you know, we use a Packard contactor today. Power on. Whoops. Cover back on. All good. Like and subscribe.